Having gone through the commodities and currencies, the chart that is somewhat appealing is the dollar Swiss. We've got a value area low from Friday as a target. That's the value area low. That's the point of control. That's the value area high. So far, we've dumped into the value area. We closed outside of the value area. So we closed and breakout, but we've moved back into the value area. That's bearish. We've faked out high so far in London. So we've put in a high for the changeover into New York. So that's the New York morning session high. So strong move up, which has pulled back to the closing price, which is acting as a sort of a magnet at the moment for the price, or it has been since London really. And we're just bouncing around that. We've put in a high for the 9 a.m. hour, the Wall Street Open. We have that Wall Street Open box. So if we just mark that off as a box. Okay. And we're inside of that. So I don't really want to do anything while we're inside of that range. What I'd like to see is the price potentially put in a fresh high and roll over. I'd like to see the trap set, and then if the price comes back and breaks through this support level, which is this wick, which is put in at 9 a.m. or thereabouts. Let's go to a 5-minute chart and look at that properly. There it is. So that strong engulfing candle, if we can get through that below there, then that would be bearish for a move into our target. So if we can get below the closing price essentially, and we're putting this low here, we may as well mark it off. So if we get below 91, the figure, so 90.98 is 97. So if we get below 97, that would indicate that we're on the way lower. I'd like to see stops taken above these highs, ideally, before going short. We'll have to wait and see. So being patient with this, 10:30 could be a setup, 10:45, maybe 11 o'clock, 11:30 perhaps. But this is all a coil at the moment, so nothing to do. We don't want to trade while it's just moving sideways.